march. Ready guys? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute. This time, could you please join our silang in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. So trainers, but first, go ahead and get things done, man. And take that. Marami pag mga sea lion, man. Take that, buddies. And another one, you're asking for it. Okay, trainers. What's next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball balance. Careful, buddies. Almost there. Careful. Come on, Vincent. Ready? Student. Fantastic. Excellent work, buddies. Now this time, would you love to share that number for our sea lion friend? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, music maestro. Let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody, come on. Now, show them that side by side. And up, people dancing. Into the water body. Twist the drainage. Nice twisting, Sandra. And around the world we go. Round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Okay, Sandra. So then the boogie-boogie. Boogie-boogie, shake. 1 2 round. And our favorite part, the boogie shake. Take those boogie. Come on, Trainer David. Yeah, wow. Keep on rolling. Okay, Sandra. Show them what you got. People in the crowd, read your camera, and this is the best part. Student. Arriba. And for the finale. Ready? Let's go. Viva! Maraming our sea lion friends, trainers as well for the great dance number. Kiss Sui.